Searching for reliable roll-off dumpster rental in Levelland, Texas? 806 Waste Management is your trusted partner for hassle-free cleanup. At 806 Waste Management, we value your time and trust. Let us handle the logistics so you can focus on what's important. Our roll-off dumpsters are perfect for any yard project you have. Whether you're clearing debris after a storm or renovating your patio, our dumpsters can get the job done. We provide a comprehensive selection of roll-off dumpster rentals that Levelland, Texas contractors rely on to enhance the efficiency and safety of their construction sites. Our robust and heavy-duty roll-offs are designed to transport various bulky construction materials, such as lumber, drywall, shingles, plastic, piping, and more. Maintaining clean and waste-free communities is a top priority for us. We frequently collaborate with the City of Levelland landfill to ensure all waste hauling complies with city, county, and state regulations. Our experienced team is ready to tackle any project, no matter how complex. We provide efficient and expert support for all your cleanup needs. We understand the importance of a clean and organized workspace. Let us help you maintain a safe and efficient environment. Let us handle the work while you focus on what matters most. Contact us today at 806-778-1311 or visit us online at www.806wastemanagement.com. Dumpster rental Levelland TX for personalized service. 806 Waste Management, your partner in waste disposal.